In this guide, I'm going to teach you on how to enable and disable shot suggestions in the Android camera app. So this feature also helps you compose better photos. To enable shot suggestions, you need to open the camera application on your Android device. Tap on the menu icon or simply select settings from the top left corner of your screen. Now scroll down to the Intelligent Features section. Focus on the Intelligent Features section from the top. Find Shot Suggestions and tap the toggle to turn it on. When enabled, your camera will display on-screen guides as you frame your shot, helping you adjust your angle and position for a better photo before you take it. This feature is useful if you want real-time assistance with shot composition. But if you find the suggestions distracting or unnecessary, return to Intelligent Features section in the camera settings and toggle this option off. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.